It's currently wintertime, so we don't have this running, but this is a mini air conditioning unit that is being used to air condition about 1,000 square feet of a home. So it's really like easy to use. It's also under construction, which is why it's so dirty, but you can set a timer. You can easy to power on. Like right now, the bucket needs to be emptied, so it lets you know of that. You can turn on just the fan portion. And then you can also set the temperature that you want to have the room stay in, and it will auto adjust to make sure that that is the temperature achieved. So this is a really good choice if you have a space that is not air conditioned currently, to have something portable like this.